AI Home Design is an Android application that leverages artificial intelligence to assist users in creating and visualizing home interior designs. This app allows users to explore various design styles, room layouts, and color schemes tailored to their preferences. Typically, AI Home Design features user-friendly tools for 2D and 3D modeling, enabling users to experiment with furniture placement, decor, and spatial arrangements. The AI algorithms analyze user inputs to suggest optimal layouts and design elements, enhancing both aesthetic appeal and functionality. Moreover, the application often includes a vast library of furniture and decor items that can be easily dragged and dropped into the digital space. Users can also take advantage of augmented reality features to visualize their designs in real-world settings. Overall, AI Home Design is a valuable tool for homeowners, decorators, and anyone looking to transform their living spaces creatively and efficiently.